a beautiful sunny day.
Let's go to the beach. Great idea. Let's go have a picnic. I'm hungry. How much food is there?
There's a lot of food. We've got chicken legs, sandwiches, biscuit, chocolate, and then a lot of fruit.
How many biscuits are there? Don't worry, there are 4 packets. And how much chocolate is there? There are six bars of chocolate. I can wait for our picnic.
That's funny. There are a lot of seagulls today.
Look, that's our food. Quick!
Oh no, there's any sandwiches or chicken legs.
There isn't any chocolate.
But there's one biscuit.
This is a travel picnic.